Hey guys, welcome to the video. This is the second part of critical reasoning and general intelligence. So, the question 26, 176 question. Pointing to a gentleman, Deepak said, his only brother is the father of my daughter's father. How is the gentleman related to Deepak? So, the gentleman related to Deepak is uncle. Because the father of my daughter is equal to Deepak and brother of Deepak father is equal to Deepak uncle. So the correct option is option C. Pointing to a woman in the photograph, a man said, the son of her only brother is the brother of my wife. How is the woman related to the man? The woman is related to the man as sister or father-in-law. Option B. So move on to the next questions. Read the following relationship statement and answer the question given below it. A family consists of 6 members: P, Q, R, X, Y, Z. Q is the son of R, but R is not the mother of Q. P and R are married couple. Y is the brother of R. X is the daughter of P. Z is the brother of P. As in the explanation column you are watching on your screen, P and R, the couple, R is the male and P is the female. X and Q both are their daughter and son. Y is the uncle of that person Q. So question 178. Who is the brother-in-law of R? Brother-in-law of R is Z. Who is the father of Q? Option C, R. Which is the pair of brother? R and Y is a pair of brothers. Move to further question 181. Study the information and answer the question given below. On a playground, Dev, Nilesh, Ankur, Kumar and Pintu are standing as directed below facing the north. Kumar is 30 meters to the right of Ankur. Dev is 30 meters to the south of Kumar. Nilesh is 25 meters to the west of Ankur. Pintu is 90 meters to the north of Dev. So who is the northeast of the person who is left to the Kumar? The person left to the Kumar is Ankur. Ankur. Then the person in the northeast is Pintu. Option D. Mahesh walks 20 meter north, then he turned right and walked 30 meter. Now he turned right and walked 35 meter. Now turning left, he walked 15 meter. Again he turned left and moved 15 meter. In which direction and how far is he from his original position? So from the starting point, he moved to the north and then to the east, turned right, moved 30 meter. Then again he turned to south direction for 35 meters. Then again he took left side and walked 15 meter. Then again left side, walk 15 meter. So he is in the east direction of 45 meter. Option B. So further question is, can he started walking toward east after moving a distance of 1 kilometer? He turned southwards and walked 5 kilometer. Again he turned to east and walked 2 kilometers. Finally he turned to the north and walked 9 kilometer. How far he is from his starting point? So very starting point, he moved to the east direction for 1 kilometer, then to the south direction for 5 kilometers, and then again to the east direction 2 kilometers, then moved to the north side by 9 kilometer. So he is from 5 kilometer from his original position in the hypotenuse side. So move to the further question. Read the given information carefully and answer the question that follow. A started from point P and went 2 km east. He turned right and covered 3 kilometers. At the end of 3 kilometers, his bicycle got punctured. He left it with the mechanic and turned right and went 1 kilometer. Then he turned left and went 1 kilometer, and finally he turned right and after walking 1 kilometer reached his destination. How far A is destination from P? Shortest distance is 4 kilometers. What is the total distance covered by A? Is 8 kilometers. So the next question, in each question there is a problem in the form of decision making followed by two courses of action numbered 1 and 2nd. Give your correct answers from the following. If only one follow, if only two follow B, C if neither one nor two follows, D if both one and two follows. The statement is many villages face flood fury every year in the monsoon. Course of action, timely evacuation of the people is necessary. Second, the government should take measure to control flood by building dams. So both the options are correct. So the option is D. Next question. Trade unions slow down the industrial production. Course of action, trade unions should be banned or industry should employ person on temporary basis. If trade union doing the same in a very serious manner, then it is a punishable offense. Second thing, industry should employ a person on temporary basis. So both the options are correct. So option D is the follows. Now further 188 to 190 questions. In this question, three statements are followed by two conclusions. Number 1 and number 2 given below. You have to take the given statement to be true even if they seems to be a variance from commonly known fact and decide which of given conclusion logically follows from the given statement and answer as. So these 188 to 190 questions will be on your side. You need to answer it at your own. 191 question. In a certain code language, 123 means hot filter coffee, 356 mean very hot day, 589 means day and night. Which digits stand for vary? As 3 equal to hot, 5 day, 6 vary. So option D is the correct option. 6. 192 question. 4 children are sitting in a row. A is occupying the seat next to B, but not next to C. If C is not sitting next to D, who is are occupying seats adjacent to D? So the person is A, option B. So further moving to 193 to 197 question. There are two set of figure containing 5 figures 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer the figures. You have to select a figure from the answer set which will continue the same series as given in the problem set figures. So while looking at problem 193, you see the elements are moving the right side or clockwise direction. So the very first element from the left side lose his position. In third table again the very first lose his position. So in the fifth triangle will lose his position and as with the first member. So option C is the correct answer. 194 question. In this question the dark circles are moving anti-clockwise directions. So you need to go through whenever they move anti-clockwise direction in the fifth figure it will take a position like D. So option D is the correct answer. 195 question. In 195 question the figures are moving in an clockwise direction. So in option in question 195 the option D is the correct one. And 196, look at the figure. When L 2 lines are given, in third 3 lines are given, in second place 3 lines are given, in the third place 5 lines are given, in the fourth place 8 lines are given. So as follow in the fifth there were 12 lines. So option B is the correct one for 196. 197 question. Option C is the right answer. 198 question. You see the J forming element open its shape from the anti-clockwise direction. So in option B that follows a clockwise direction rotation. So it is the correct option. 199. In this whole the arrows are irregular in shape, but in option D they are regular in the shape. 200 question. What letter replace the question mark? So J is the letter which replace the question mark. So here we complete the general intelligence and critical reasoning part. Stay tuned.